Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your exact HP model and compatible GPU module. This prevents wasted time. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and remove the battery connector. This avoids shorts. You should lay out screws in order and pop the bottom cover using a spudger. Keep small parts grouped. Make sure to use the correct Torx and Phillips bits to avoid stripping. You're now at the motherboard access stage and ready for the next, more detailed removal steps. You now tackle the heatsink and GPU. First, disconnect the fan header to prevent damage. Unscrew the heatsink in a diagonal pattern to relieve tension evenly and lift it gently. This preserves pads. Once exposed, remove old thermal pads and clean the GPU die and heatsink surfaces with 90% plus isopropyl. This ensures proper thermal contact. If the GPU is a replaceable module, unclip and remove it. If soldered, stop and consult a pro. After removal, compare the new GPU to confirm fit and connector. You're ready to install. Apply a thin, pea-sized dot of thermal paste to the GPU die and lay new thermal pads where the heatsink contacts VRMs. Position the new GPU module, if applicable, then seat the heatsink and tighten screws in the same diagonal sequence to 0. 5 turn increments. Reconnect the fan and battery, then boot. Make sure to update drivers and run a short stress test while monitoring temperatures. If you see crashes or high temps,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.